Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start now, power down, unplug, and hold the case power button to clear caps. Once done, ground yourself. Static will fry components. Make sure to remove the side panel and identify the GPU's external power cables. Press and lift the connector latch while pulling straight out. You're preventing damage by removing power first. Next, free any adjacent cables or cooling hoses that block access. Keep screws and brackets organized in a small tray so you don't lose them during the next steps. With power removed, unscrew the bracket screws that anchor the card to the case and set them aside. Once the screws are out, locate the small PCIe retention clip at the slot end. Press it down or outward depending on your motherboard design. You must support the card with one hand at the PCB edge and gently rock or pull straight back. Do not twist. If it's tight, recheck for remaining screws or cables. Keep steady pressure and a straight line of motion to avoid bending the slot pins. After the card clears the slot, lift it straight up and set it on an anti-static mat or bag. Do not rest it on metal. Once removed, reinstall the slot cover to maintain airflow and replace chassis screws. Reconnect power and boot the system to verify post without the GPU. If you see no display or errors, power down, reseat the GPU and power connectors carefully, and try again. If problems persist, clear CMOS to reset configuration. This often solves PCIe detection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.